The Great Blizzard of 1888 was a massive storm that coated the entirety of Northeast America in multiple feet of snow. On March 11, 1888, Northeast America had no idea that this blizzard was going to hit them.
The blizzard was a mystery. One day it was nice, and then the next there were feet of snow all around, closing many businesses and stranding many people. There are unaware citizens that attempted to go to work only to find themselves stranded with nowhere to go. As this happened, many hotels, prisons, hospitals, and any other areas that people could find were flooded with people seeking shelter.
This storm was devastating. It killed over 400 people, including 100 seafarers, and wounded many more. In New York alone, over $20 million of property damage was incurred, and hundreds were stranded away from their homes.
The storm also ruined many social structures. Since the day before was very warm, many kids were walking back home from school when the blizzard hit. Their bodies found frozen to death days later. Obviously, many families and communities were devastated by these deaths.